How to increase Cash App limit. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can increase Cash App limits, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you want to basically increase your Cash App limit, all you have to do is open up Cash App and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you have to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side. Then you will come to this page where you have to just simply tap on the limits option, as you can find. Once you tap on limits, on the next page you'll find all of your current and existing limits. So all you have to do is simply make sure to select those limits, and then you'll be able to verify your identity. You'll find the increase your limit option, and then you'll be able to verify your identity and increase your limit. That's all it takes to increase your limit on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.